It's a puppet play.
Live at Upright Cafe, it's Puppet Play with Mikey and Mandy.
Good values.
They sing songs.
It's Puppet Play. It's time to have some fun.
They tell jokes.
Guy!
They help you win prizes. Prizes.
You guys want to win some prizes?
But according to them, they're not puppets.
We're not puppets.
Nope. I'm not a puppet, and neither is she.
It's
And
a
parents,
puppet,
this show
puppet,
teaches
it's
good
a
values
puppet,
such
puppet,
as
puppet,
appreciation,
it's a puppet,
best
puppet,
effort,
puppet,
good
it's a
citizenship,
puppet,
and
puppet,
more.
play.
It's Puppet Play.
12 p.m. Saturdays at Upright Cafe.
Well, what's this whole thing about rules? I just don't understand all the fuss about it.
You gotta act right and do what your mama says.
Yeah, but what if I don't want to do what my mama says?
Well, you gotta, okay?
Well, what's gonna happen? It's not like the sky's gonna fall down or something.
Your sky just might fall down. You can get in big trouble, mister.
Trouble. Now, okay, I can identify with trouble. Now we're getting somewhere. I don't want trouble, that's true.
So you better follow the rules then. Be a good citizen.
Okay, fine, I'm listening. Tell me more. You got some kind of song or something to sing me?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, pay attention.
You gotta wash your face when you get out of bed. You gotta stand outside and wait for the bus. Don't talk to your friend when your teacher's teaching in class. Don't run through the house, don't write on the walls. Stick with your parents when you go to the mall. You gotta clean your room when you get home in the afternoon. Hey! What with all the rules? No! Take me for a fool. I know I got my rights. Hey! What with all the rules?
Somewhere over the rainbow, where dreams come true and problems melt away.
Oh, I know that song. Let's sing it.
Okay.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby.
Prizes.
You guys want to win some prizes? Coach Ken will call you up to win G-Dollars playing the learning game.
He will ask you about the good values and good deeds you learned watching this show.
But you've got to pay attention.
I'll pay attention. So I can win the learning game. I pay attention. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I can win the learning game. Yeah, yeah.
It's Puppet Play.
12 p.m. Saturdays at Upright Cafe.
Come on and get money, playing games up on the stage. If you know some good values, you can win with all your friends on J Pro Games.
Coach Ken, host of the G-Pro Game Show. The G-Pro Game Show has 3 rounds. Round 1, place the words. Round 2, spin the wheel. And round 3, buzz in the answer. Let's take a look at round 1, place the words. Each team has 3 people. The object of the game is to place the words in order to form an important phrase about character, racing against the clock to win 25 G-dollars. You can earn extra G-dollars shooting hoops, hitting targets with arrows, and using a slingshot. Here's the blue team. They're ready to go. They got their grabbers, but their baskets are empty. First, they have to fill this one with basketballs and this one with slinger balls. Team rolls. It's this guy's role to be the spooner. This one is the loader. And this guy is the driver. They have 3 minutes for this. Now that they've got their baskets full, they are ready to place the words and win some G-dollars. Team rolls. Now this guy is the baller. This one is the archer. And this guy is the placer and slinger. For this, they have 5 minutes. And they're off to a great start. He's taking the words from the word ladder and placing them on the word rack. The best among... Oh, but he can't continue because the basketball hoop is in the way. In order for the placer to move it, the baller has to shoot 3 balls in the hoop. 1, 2, 3. Now the placer can move the basketball hoop out of the way so he can continue placing the words to form the phrase. Here we have 3 letters to form the word you. The best among you. He wants to move are the, but he can't until the archer hits the 5G target. He's got 5. 10 G-dollars. Now the placer can move it into place and finish the rest of the phrase. The best among you are the best in character. That's so true. The clock is still running, but in order to stop it, the placer's got to take on the role of the slinger and try to hit the 20 G-dollar target. And he's got it, but they've got more time on the clock, so the archer tries to score more G-dollars by hitting the 10 G-dollar target at the top. He's got it, and they stop the clock. They did it! They won a total of 61 G-dollars, and they learned a very special phrase. With those G-dollars, they can buy prizes in the G-Store section of Upright Cafe gift shop. The G-Pro Game Show.